Gonna be loud.
Yep.
Low. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to Three River Survival. So, this video that you're about to see is me going to Pennsylvania and training. So I run a bolt gun. I'm allowed to run a bolt gun in almost every single state. It is a Ruger Precision. I know someone's going to ask me about that. Ruger Precision in 308 with a Vortex optics. I think it is the Viper series. 6.5 power to, I think, 20 power, if I'm correct. It is a mil dot scope. So I do like mil dots. I trained in the Marine Corps as a scout sniper. So yes, I am very familiar with mil dots. And it is a minute of angle. I know there's going to be some controversy between mil dot and MOA and milrads and all that stuff, but that's not really what this video is about. What I want to encourage you to do is right now ammo prices, they stabilized. They're coming down a little bit, not too much, but if you can afford the gas, if you can afford the ammo and afford the classes, definitely go out there and get your training. It's really nice to have a whole bunch of guns and kit and gear. And every class I go to, I see a bunch of people that go out there and they run around and they have all this nice Gucci kit, but they cannot hit the side of a barn. You got to go out there and train, guys. I went out there thinking that my zero was good on my rifle. It was not. So the first part of the 2 hours with only 9 people, we had to zero all our guns. Now, this was a carbine class. Carbine was basically AR-15, 308, or I'm sorry, AR-10. There was SCARs there. There were AR-15s. So somebody even brought an AK with a scope on it. So there was a whole bunch of plethora. But that's what I like about classes, that you can go out and you can see what other people are running. And also different kit and different body armor. Now, I myself run a SOE split micro vest. It's very simple. It just has 4 pockets on the front, or 4 pouches on the front. And because I'm running 308 PMags, 20 rounders, it's more than enough weight. So that thing gets really heavy. But I really like the kit, and I'm a big fan of SOE. He doesn't pay me to say that. Now, before we get into the whole entire video, what I need you guys to do is to like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that double bell icon right there. Get on the mailing list. I keep telling you guys this. Go to 3riverblades.com. Check out all the awesome knives we have up there. I also have discount codes and all that stuff coming out soon. So if you're not on the mailing list, you will not get those discount codes. It's very simple. Go to 3riverblades.com. Go all the way down to the bottom. First name, last name, email address, hit send. All right, check your email to confirm, and you're on the list. Lastly, become a Patreon member. I have a Patreon link down below if you want to support this channel. It's only $1 a month. And if you are interested in any type of kit, such as Kydex kit, so pouches, holsters, that kind of thing, or med kit, I can make that in Kydex. Go to 3riverkydex.com. All the links that you're going to see are going to be in the description box. I'm also an affiliate member, so I really thank you very much. If you want to shop on Amazon, all that stuff is there for you. Now, let's talk a little bit about the class. The class is run by Stretz Tactical. Stretz Tactical, I happen to know, and the classes are relatively affordable. Okay, so sometimes he does 2 days, sometimes he does 1 day. Now, PA is kind of a little bit out of my area. It's about 2 hours from here, but I didn't mind it because it's very hard to stretch long guns in New York City. It just really is. It just doesn't work. I think the farthest range we have is like 100 yards or maybe 200 or 250. This one stretched all the way out to 600, which is very nice. Thank you very much, Pennsylvania. Really appreciate that. So they also have less restrictive gun laws, which is really nice. So, you know, guys from New York can only run 5-round mags, where guys in PA can run 35-round mags. It doesn't matter. So that was really nice as well. The class was basically designed to run your carbine out to 300 yards. So if you served in the military, you know that you can push a carbine out to 500 yards. But this is more of like a DMR class, where you are testing the ability of your regular service rifle or whichever rifle you happen to have. Now, I chose to run a bolt gun. It gave me a little bit more understanding. Now I am trained, again, I trained with the Marine Corps as a scout sniper, so it really wasn't a big deal. A Ruger precision rifle is not that expensive. It is, I ran it completely stock optics. You know, I think the gun's like $700, and I think the scope is maybe about another $400, so around $1,200-$1,300 with everything in the mags. I mean, that's a stock sniper rifle, okay? There's nothing I did crazy to it. But what I did like about the class is that you try different shooting positions, compromise shooting positions, and because I'm used to mil dots, you have to have come ups or come downs depending on how you're working that weapon. And then at the end, you can see a really cool video where we did a run and gun, which you're supposed to on the fly kind of run through different berms or different yard lines and try to decide where you're going to hit that metal or hit that steel. We did a lot of paper, which was fine to confirm where you're hitting, where your bullets are hitting, which is really good because it is a educational course, but it gives you a little bit more information. And then of course at the end, everybody wants to blast steel, so we blasted steel, and it was a lot of fun. So if you want that information as to how to get to that class, then I will put that link down below. It was a phenomenal class. A lot of guys showed up. Pennsylvania for most New Yorkers is a little bit far, but again, if you want to train, you gotta go out there and do it. I highly recommend this class and all the other classes he does, and also any training. I don't care where you are, what state, where you are. I'm telling you guys, I live in one of the most gun restricted states ever. As long as I abide by the rules, 5-round, whatever magazine capacity and whatever muzzle brakes and weirdness your state laws have, you're good. All right, just obey the laws. Go get your training, guys, and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much.
Yeah. It's not a bad stick spot. You're doing 400 for me. Well, let's just make it 200. Good. One more hit. Yep. Hey, we're not safe.